So in today's video, I'm going to show you the wallets that I think are the best cryptocurrency wallets today to use that have a balance of both security and functionality. And this is really important because your cryptocurrency wallet is basically the gateway for you to access any sort of protocol that you want and to be able to transact in cryptocurrency safely, securely, and quickly. And so choosing the right cryptocurrency wallet is very important, especially if you're a beginner investing in cryptocurrency or still getting involved in the cryptocurrency space. Having a really great wallet will make your life so much easier as you begin to invest in cryptocurrency and do all sorts of different things with the protocols. So that's why I'm making this video today, just to make your life easier when you're looking to choose a cryptocurrency wallet. All right, so the very first wallet we're going to review today is Trustwallet. So to get Trustwallet, simply visit trustwallet.com and you'll be prompted to be able to download the app directly from the website. Now, Trustwallet is one of the wallets that has been around for a very long time. They haven't had any security breaches, so in my opinion, this makes it a really strong candidate for cryptocurrency beginners to begin investing in themselves and getting a really powerful, really secure wallet. And Trustwallet is one of the best places to start. And what I really like about the Trustwallet, but they're one of the pioneers in multi-chain support. So Trustwallet was one of the very first wallets to allow people to transact in the native currency for some of the new top blockchains, not just Ethereum, but also other blockchains. And in my opinion, that innovation is what really made them stand out and quickly become a market leader in the cryptocurrency wallet space. So now let's go ahead and go through some of the Trustwallet features to see what makes this wallet such a really great crypto wallet to have. So you can see that they do already have a buy crypto with a card functionality built into the app. So that's amazing for onboarding purposes, because back in the day, you had to go through a centralized exchange or use a third-party service to purchase crypto with your debit card or a bank account. And now Trustwallet is making it super easy for you to do that. You can just enter your debit card info in the wallet and you'll be able to purchase cryptocurrency all within the app. And to me, that makes it really powerful because Trustwallet itself is making it so much easier for people brand new to the crypto space to get involved with cryptocurrency by removing barriers to entry. So in my opinion, the innovation keeps them as one of the top dogs for crypto wallets. What's really cool about Trustwallet is it also offers an exchange functionality. So basically within the wallet, you'll be able to do exchange transfers with your cryptocurrencies all within the app. So if you want to swap different tokens, let's just say using the Binance chain, you can easily do that within the app itself. So if you want another cryptocurrency and you have BNB in your wallet, boom, you'll be able to swap within the wallet right away without having to visit any other sort of exchange to do the transaction. You can do the swaps all within the wallet. So the fact that Trustwallet has an exchange functionality built into the app, in my opinion, makes it very powerful for crypto wallet users. So just to reiterate, you can buy crypto with a card, you can use the exchange functionality, and it's private and secure. So basically the security is your access to the wallet. So you own the private keys to your wallet. There's a saying in crypto, not your keys, not your coins. So know that your wallet itself is the private key. It's secure and no one else can access it unless they have access to your wallet, which I hope no one does. So that's what makes it really cool and convenient, is that you can have security all within the app itself. Now, another feature that I think makes Trustwallet just so powerful to use is they have a built-in browser for dApps functionality. So you can access all your favorite dApps within the browser itself. So you can easily connect your wallet to PancakeSwap, to Uniswap, and to all these other protocols, all these other exchanges and dApps, all within the app itself without ever having to leave the app. So that's really important as you begin to transact with cryptocurrency. And let's just say you want to access PancakeSwap. You can do that within the app itself and pay for gas and everything, and it'll easily connect to all of these different dApps. All you got to do is click on a button to approve it, and that's it basically. So it does also have a browser for dApps, so you can browse hundreds of different apps if you want. So you can browse hundreds of different dApps if you want, all within the wallet itself. It's pretty crazy, I know, but they're doing so many cool things like this that I think keep it a power player in the crypto wallet space. And here's how easy it is to get started with Trustwallet. Simply download the Trustwallet, create a new wallet, get some crypto. It's really that straightforward. It's really that easy for you to use it. So if you're a beginner getting into the cryptocurrency space, you'll definitely want to check out Trustwallet just so you can see all the cool features and benefits that you'll have and the things you'll be able to do, all with these functionalities built inside the app itself. So it makes it really cool. They even have their own cryptocurrency called TWT that will allow its users to vote on protocols governance. So they're getting their community involved in as many ways as they can. So that's really cool that they have their own coin. And these are all of the reasons why I think Trustwallet is a really superior wallet for cryptocurrency users. Now the next wallet we're going to go over is called the Coinbase Wallet. Now the Coinbase Wallet is different from the Coinbase app, which is the actual exchange for Coinbase. The Coinbase Wallet is another app that you'll need to download that will help you store and secure your private cryptocurrencies. Now what I like about the Coinbase Wallet is that it really allows you to easily transact with your Coinbase exchange because they're obviously the same company. So you can seamlessly transfer coins from the wallet to the exchange in no time. So they have that functionality to make it easy for you to do that. And what I really like about the Coinbase Wallet is, for one, the security. Again, they've never had any security issues. It's one of the most secure wallets in the world. And for that reason, in and of itself, makes it one of the top candidates for me to store cryptocurrencies and use it to transact in cryptocurrency. Now, what's really cool about the Coinbase Wallet is you can switch different blockchains within the app itself. So if you're wanting to transact on the Phantom network or the Polygon network, you can simply just do the drop down from the Coinbase Wallet and choose whatever blockchain you want to use and store your cryptocurrency on that native blockchain. So that, in my opinion, makes it really cool because it's now a multi-chain wallet. Just like the Trust Wallet we went over, Trust Wallet is also multi-chain. Otherwise, they just won't last long, because if you're just servicing Ethereum users, then you're going to really miss out on all the really cool things that are happening on all these different protocols. And Coinbase is adding so many different blockchains, so that way users can basically use the Coinbase app as the one-stop shop to transact in any cryptocurrency across any blockchain. So if you want to store even your NFTs in one place, you'll be able to do that with the Coinbase Wallet. You'll simply send your NFT to your Coinbase Wallet, make sure it's supported there, and boom, you'll now have your NFTs inside your wallet. Trust Wallet also has that same functionality. So again, you're starting to see these trends, like I just mentioned with the multi-chain. Being able to do everything that you can in the cryptocurrency space within one wallet is super important when you're wanting to do so many different things like transfer NFTs, transfer coins, swap, buy crypto, store crypto. You're wanting a wallet that can do all of these sorts of things in a secure fashion. Now, apart from that, it doesn't have an exchange functionality, but if you do want to visit the Coinbase exchange itself, you'll just need to download the Coinbase app for the exchange, and now you'll be able to use that Coinbase exchange for any cryptocurrency, and you could link your Coinbase wallet with your exchange on Coinbase, and that way you can now use the exchange functionality. It's a little bit more of a two-step process compared to the Trust Wallet that we went over, but it's still very secure, very fast, and an easy way for people to get involved in the cryptocurrency space. So if you're looking for a wallet that's secure, fast, and has a lot of cool functionalities, Coinbase Wallet is definitely one of the wallets you'll want to consider when you're looking to get into crypto. Now, finally, the last wallet I think is one of the best wallets for crypto right now is going to be Metamask Wallet. Now, Metamask has been around for a very long time. They're also very secure, very fast, and you can do so many cool things with their support, so you'll never get lost in the app itself. If you ever have any questions, you can email the support and they'll get back to you right away. Now, what I really like about Metamask is that it originally started just as a desktop wallet, but now you can use the Metamask mobile wallet, so you can have both the app on your phone and you can use it on your desktop. And they have the option for you to add any blockchain in the world that you want. So you can add Phantom, you can add Binance Smart Chain, you can add Polygon, you can add Avalanche, you can add any blockchain that you want. You just need to get the appropriate data from that blockchain, but you'll be able to have your Metamask wallet set up to serve multiple blockchains, not just Ethereum, and you can have that one-stop shop for any blockchain you can think of. So it makes Metamask a really strong contender because of that functionality. Being able to transfer tokens from different blockchains and securely store them all within a single wallet is really important. And the reason why you'll want all of these functions in a wallet is because the cryptocurrency space is moving at a lightning speed. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, you definitely want to have multiple blockchains on your wallet in one place. So that way you avoid any sort of confusion, and which is why all three of these wallets, in my opinion, balance both security and functionality, because they all have multi-chain support and allow you to easily transact. You own your private keys and they're very, very secure. Metamask also has a swap functionality similar to Trustwallet. So within Metamask, you can also do swaps to any cryptocurrency that you want. So if you want to do a swap in any sort of token, you can simply do that within the Metamask wallet itself. You don't need to visit an exchange for that. You can do that all within Metamask. So because of Metamask security, because of their swap functionality, and because of their multi-chain support, in my opinion, make Metamask one of the top 3 crypto wallets for users to have. I actually have all 3 of these wallets. There's no reason why you can't have all of these wallets. These wallets are all superior in technology and security and functionality, and I've used all 3 wallets already, probably for thousands of transactions, and they have not let me down, not once. So now you should be able to do anything you want with the crypto market now that you know what wallets are out there and what the technology is like. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really loved this video, and now you have a lot of information on which wallet you should choose when you're getting into the cryptocurrency space. Crypto wallets are not all built equally, and it's really important for you to know what your crypto wallet options are, so that way you can make the best decision and find one that best suits your needs. And I hope now that you have all of this information, you're empowered to begin choosing which crypto wallet works best for you and begin getting involved in cryptocurrency. If you found this video resourceful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions at all, leave me a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want the latest cryptocurrency news tips delivered directly to your phone, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. Well, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all on the next video.